Welcome back. Alright, so here we are now moving on to our more direct vocabulary questions. This is also PSLE, so please pay attention. This is an example of your figurative speech. Things like to pull a leg, to put your best foot forward, those kind of stuff. So feasting my eyes. I was on the trip of a lifetime, feasting my eyes on the wilderness of Alaska on a cruise. What sense are we looking at over here? Eyes. So it is sight. Okay, so you are looking at the wilderness of Alaska. Now, what kind of looking are we doing? Let's eliminate the ones that don't quite capture the idea first. Feasting my eyes, you are having the trip of a lifetime. You want to remember. Observing. Observing means to look in order to make sense of it, or to watch from beginning to end. So when you're observing something, you're sitting down and you're watching. Kind of like bird watching. So it's very deliberate. But when you're observing something, chances are you've done it before. It's a habit. It's just you are seeing something for the purpose of learning something from it. Does not quite capture the trip of a lifetime. So we cancel that out. Next, discovering. What does discovering mean? Discovering means to see something for the first time or for many times. Okay, we are not given any kind of clue over here, whether it's the author's first time or not, but that's not the point. It can be the first time, it can be multiple times, but it's not quite about discovering. Now, between capturing and relishing. Capturing means, as the word suggests, to capture, to remember something. Let's just look at relishing first before deciding on our answer. To relish means to value something, to really focus and remember. That's the idea of relishing, like you are really taking it all in, every single second, every single sensation. So even though capture may somewhat reflect the meaning over here, relishing more accurately shows it.